channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to give you all some ideas on what to incorporate in your hair business blog. It's really good to consider having a blog just to bring more traffic to your website, more traffic and awareness to your products, and also to share information with your audience that they may find useful, and just to keep that engagement there and your community of support intertwined and as close as you possibly can. There's a lot of studies that show that people are more apt to shop with businesses or even tune into different YouTube channels or podcasts or newsletters that they feel like they're getting some valuable information from. Creating a blog can be very beneficial to businesses in general. I recently made a video on how to monetize your blog, so you can also get paid for adding ads on your blog too. If you're interested in how to do that, I will link that video down below. But I'm going to go ahead and get started with going over some different blog ideas for your hair businesses. Before I do though, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So of course you can always look at different trends. So you can do what's trending currently in social media. So right now, Wigs are popular, dyeing your locks are popular, micro locks are popular. So any type of hair trend that's popular on TikTok or any other social media outlet may be a topic that you want to discuss on your blog. So sharing information about your experience with the trend, if you've tried to do the style on yourself or clients, your ideas behind your inspiration or your motivation to trying that style, or your hesitation about trying the style, different tricks and tips that you may have learned that may make completing that style more efficient. Just anything trending that you can add your own spin to and add more information on would be a good topic to go over in your blog. I'm also looking down at my phone. I don't want to leave anything out. But another good topic would be how to wash and condition your hair. Okay, that might seem very simple. And although it may be simple to some people may actually want to know different wash routines, may want to get more insight information on different products that will work best for their hair type, may be interested to know if co-washing is something they should implement, if they should remove conditioner for a period of time. I know with locks, depending on what type of locks you have, your hair texture, and where you're at in the locking process, conditioner isn't always recommended. It's sometimes even advise that you stay away from conditioner. And so just making an article or a blog about washing, co-washing, conditioning, and what the methods are, what steps work, giving different options on how to achieve healthy hair is also another good topic to consider incorporating. You can also create a blog going over easy to do hairstyles. So like 5-minute hairstyles, or even like a blog outlining a tutorial, or a blog directing your readers to a certain video to watch. So any type of protective styles that you are interested in showcasing, or any type of quick styles or trending styles, would also be something that you can showcase in your blog. Another thing that you can talk about in your blog is how to recreate different celebrity inspired hairstyles. So pulling up some of your favorite celebrities, taking a look to see what style you like on them the most, and then trying to recreate them and giving a step-by-step tutorial on how to do that is another topic that you can incorporate into your hair blog. Preventing split ends, so going over hair health tips and information, how to prevent excessive shedding, how to cut your dead ends, DIY healthy hair mask, so some ways that you can create your own hair care products at home. What are some healthy ingredients to look for in hair care products? So there, I can go on and on, but I just wanted to create this video just to give you all an idea of some things that you can incorporate in your blog, and really just tying it back into how it can help your community, and finding a way to tie your business in is going to be very beneficial in promotion, and also in giving out insight and information to your audience. So one of the questions that I get asked a lot is, how do I market? How do I get the word out about my business without doing paid ads consistently? And there's nothing against paid ads. I've said this for years, but when I first started my hair business, I was really gung-ho about paying for ads consistently. And I just realized that it was more so a waste for me to pay for paid ads than to focus more on organic marketing, organic traffic, organic promotion. And so I started to notice that I was getting more traction, more sales with my YouTube videos, and not just the videos. This is something that I want to point out to a lot of entrepreneurs. So many people focus on just the monetization side of YouTube, and they get discouraged if they're not getting huge YouTube checks. And it's like, yeah, it's good to be monetized with YouTube. I have actually three channels altogether on YouTube, and only one of them is monetized right now, which is this one. But I still constantly put out content. And the reason that I do that is because it's a way of marketing and advertising. I look on my Shopify store, and the largest marketing platform that brings in the traffic is from YouTube. So take advantage of marketing on YouTube, on your blogs, on different social media outlets in general, even in the signature of your email, so that you can start generating traffic to your website. When you create a blog, you have the opportunity to engage more people and also promote your business at the same time while sharing information that can help others. So it's a win-win in all aspects. Yes, you can get your blog monetized. And like I said before, I have a video down below where you can get paid for the traffic. But even if you're not getting paid, it gives you so much more added value by growing your email mailing list, spreading awareness with your business, boosting your engagement with your potential customers and clients, or even customers and clients. So it's just a really good habit to get in the form of making sure that you're putting your business and yourself out there so that you can continuously grow your business. I don't market in the same way that I did when I initially started my business. Nothing's wrong with paid ads, but your marketing strategies evolve based on the current state of your business. So it's really what I wanted to showcase as well in this video, going over blogs. It's more than just finding different ideas. And sometimes I work with people and even my mentees. Like I've worked with a few different mentees and have helped them create different blogs. And sometimes you can find yourself thinking like, is it even, important for me to create a blog? And it's not just about the information or the content that you're putting in. But it's also about, like I said, so many different areas of growing your community and growing the awareness with your brand. And just because an idea may be looked at as a simple idea to you or something that should be just self-explanatory, you want to keep in mind that this is an industry that you work in a lot. If you're an entrepreneur, then I would say most of us work a lot in our businesses. And so they may be questions that you feel are questions that are just like, I don't want to say stupid questions, but sometimes people feel like that, and they're not. There are a lot of people that don't know the answer to what you're going to talk about, a lot of people that are researching this information, and a lot of people that will benefit from the information that you may be second guessing yourself on. Some of my most popular videos are some of the most simplest videos that I put out. Some of the videos that I put the most work and energy and more intricate information in are some of the videos that have the lowest views. Just saying that to say that you never want to talk yourself out of putting valuable information out, even if you don't think that it's super important information. Like, for example, should you co-wash your hair or not? Some people may say, well, that's a crazy topic, but no, a lot of people are interested in that topic and they want to learn more about it. So go ahead and create your blog if you've been considering doing so. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.